I just fell in love with playing basketball, you know, not as a sport, but as fun. Something I like to do every day just to relieve stress, just go out and do something instead of just being inside watching TV all day.
Tie game, tie game. So give us the lead. Free throw number 2.
Put a lot of work in. I love to go out and just shoot some hoops or play around the world with some friends or 2-on-2. Just anything to keep me active and just have fun, you know. It's not, I don't make it to be competitive, so.
Foul. Throw shots. Oh,
my favorite player is, growing up, a lot of people's favorite player would be Michael Jordan. He's an amazing player, you know. He's won many titles, and I really look up to him. And now one of my favorite players would have to be Kevin Durant for the Oklahoma City Thunder.
oh yeah, backboard, baby.
All day. Dunking. I'd love to dunk, but with my height, there's no chance of that happening.